Hey guys, in this video I'd like to show you how to make your Logitech Z337 sound really good. When I first heard music coming from Logitech Z337, it struck me as being pretty underwhelming. For 2.1 system, 2 speakers and subwoofer, it produced surprisingly shallow and inexpressive low frequencies. Don't get me wrong, it cost only around $70, so I didn't expect much from it. But since it has built-in Bluetooth, which is actually a really cool feature that works quick and reliably with my 2015 MacBook Pro running High Sierra, I wished it could produce better sound. So now, after some testing, I can tell you that you can actually turn this pretty unimpressive set into very decent budget audio system with built-in Bluetooth. For some reason, company Logitech decided to tune the speakers to produce very mediocre sound on the low end of the spectrum. However, you can easily fix it by applying right equalizer to it. Let me just clarify something before we dive deeper. I think you need to know that I personally prefer soft, punchy low-end bass. Not boomy around 1 to 200 Hz, but something below 50-60 Hz. Something that physically moves your chest when you stand close to speaker. It's just my preference, but I think this kind of bass is really great, and unfortunately it's exactly what many sound systems, especially in the budget segment, are missing. To clearly understand what I mean by punchy low-end bass, you should listen to comparison between speaker Harman Kardon Go Plus Play and pretty much any other portable speaker on the market. Go Plus Play has that very distinct, satisfying deep low punch. Clavinet Junkie has a great YouTube channel comparing all sorts of portable speakers using binaural microphones, so you can hear exact differences very clearly. I highly suggest checking his comparison of Harman Kardon with other speakers. He's also made a great website where you can compare pretty much every speaker he has ever tested. I will put a link in the description. Now with this out of the way, if you want to hear the difference equalizer will make to the speakers, since I don't have binaural microphones, I will now try to reproduce the sound coming from the system before and after applying EQ. To hear the difference, please use your headphones. I will roughly tune everything to Apple EarPods, as they're probably one of the most used headphones out there. So I will adjust frequencies of the music you will listen in your headphones as if it were playing on Logitech speakers. Unfortunately, Logitech doesn't specify frequency response of Z337, but based on the satellite model Z333, we can probably guess that it's in the same range of 55 Hz to 20 kHz. However, as you will hear now, Z337 has pretty noticeable cutoff in a range below 100 Hz, as do Apple EarPods actually. So this reproduction, if you're gonna listen to it in EarPods, will actually give you quite an accurate idea what to expect from Logitech Z337 with EQ. And now let's play some music. So this is pretty much what you can expect from your Logitech Z337 audio system if you apply EQ to it. I think with this pretty simple tweak you can actually turn somewhat mediocre system into very good budget wireless audio system. There are many different ways to apply system-wide EQ to your OS. I suggest you to search exact details for your system, but in this video I will quickly show you EQ settings that I've used to tweak my Logitech Z337 to make it sound great again. I'm using built-into macOS audio unit graphic EQ set to 31 bands, although we will only use low end of that range, because I think the rest of the frequencies sound pretty good by default. And my exact tweaks are on the screen right now. I've boosted pretty much all low frequencies from 30 to 80 Hz by around 4 decibels, and lowered frequencies from 100 to 200 by 2 dB. And these changes made a world of a difference. I'd like to encourage you to experiment with exact decibels and tweak it to your own taste. However, be aware that 50 to 65 Hz range has most effect on audible low-end bass in Z337 model, so don't boost it too high since it will cause distortion at higher volume. I hope this video will help you to breathe new life into your Logitech Z337. If you own other Logitech models, try doing the same and check if you can actually improve low-end frequency response of your system as well. For now though, please make sure to subscribe for more tech-related content. Thanks for watching and take care.